past 5 years have witnessed the rapid evolution of our commercial plasma torches, both in power and process efficiency. In 2020, the most powerful plasma torch PyroGenesis sold was only 900 kilowatts. In 2022, that increased to 2 megawatts. And in 2023, a major US contractor in the aerospace and defense industry ordered a 4.5 megawatt torch, which were recently delivered to that client's facility. But we're not stopping there. On the horizon is another major leap forward to a 20 megawatt torch for the same aerospace and defense client. From our research, this will be the most powerful commercially developed plasma torch ever produced. This 22 times scale up is an example of how our engineering teams leverage the superior combination of our proprietary plasma expertise and our proven scale-up capabilities. But it's not just the power level that has advanced. We've also focused on increasing process efficiency using our torches. And those results are showing up across the board, whether compared against diesel or natural gas burners. For example, from data we gathered from a project in 2025, PyroGenesis plasma torches showed significantly lower operational energy requirements of up to 45% less when compared to diesel burners in the same application. As for natural gas, we've conducted several trials with clients from around the world to test plasma as a replacement for natural gas burners, with aluminum heating and melting as one of the main applications. Back in 2024, also at the TMS conference, we presented proof of concept from a client testing campaign that showed that plasma torches were indeed a good replacement for fossil fuel burners in both retrofit of existing aluminum furnaces or for new furnace designs. The results of our most recent study, which we conducted with Rio Tinto and Alcoa, will be released shortly at the 2026 TMS conference. I'll talk more about that in an upcoming video.